If you want to block a number or a contact on Motorola Edge 6 Diffusion, then first of all we're gonna open the phone app. Let's start with a contact. In order to block a contact, we need to of course select the contact, and then over here if you scroll down we have this block option, and then we can confirm that we want to block it. You can also block a number if that number tries to reach you. In that case you should be able to press and hold your finger on the call in order to block the number. In my case I cannot really do this because it was a private number that tried to reach me, but in general this is how it works. You should be able to just press and hold, and over here there should be an option that allows you to block the phone number. And the third option to block a phone number, if you want to do so, we can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then we can go to settings. Next in the settings we can choose block the numbers, and then over here we can press add a number, then tap on phone number field in order to enter the phone number that you wish to block, and confirm by pressing block. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.